It was recently rumored that Meghan is hiring a lawyer to divorce Harry after learning that he will not inherit any of Charles's assets. Charles made a will after being diagnosed with cancer, and the person who inherited the most assets was William. Perhaps Harry was very painful because he received estrangement from his father and wife. Many people expressed pity for Harry because Meghan did not love him, she only aimed for his money. When Prince Harry jumped on a plane to visit his ailing father, King Charles III, on February 6, the day after Buckingham Palace revealed the monarch had been diagnosed with cancer, he anticipated an emotional reunion with his estranged dad. But the visit turned out to be a short, 30-minute business-like transaction. Harry had hoped for a longer meeting, but things were awkward and tense, an insider exclusively tells In Touch. He was hurt, and felt like he'd been brushed aside. It's all part of a royal power play as the crown's future remains uncertain. According to a palace source, Charles, 75, was touched by Harry's gesture but was reminded by his wife, Queen Camilla, and Harry's brother and the heir to the throne, Prince William, that Harry is no longer a part of the royal family, and should be treated as such. William is concerned Harry and his wife, Meghan Markle, who stepped back from royal duties and moved to the US in 2020, are angling to claim a piece of the $34 billion crown estate, and he is determined to persuade their dad to officially cut the rogue royals out of his will. Charles is not obligated to leave Harry anything, says the source, and Camilla and William are urging him not to. They see the Sussexes as greedy fame seekers who can't be trusted. A royal expert has claimed that Meghan Markle could lose interest in her husband Prince Harry if he loses his royal status and title, as the couple face difficulties in the US. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex, who tied the knot in 2018 and have 2 children, have faced challenges since they stepped back from their royal duties in 2020. The couple, now living in Montecito, California, have attempted to establish a profitable brand in the US with partnerships with companies like Netflix and Spotify. However, it seems they are struggling to maintain American interests. Royal expert Tom Quinn has suggested that losing their royal status could will damage brands Sussex, and might lead to Meghan losing interest in Harry. He told the Daily Mirror, Harry and Meghan are beginning to worry that if their children don't have a relationship with the UK and by extension with the royal family, they will damage brand Sussex. Surveys already show that America is losing interest in the couple, and they both know that Harry's only real selling point, his only real brand value, is that he's a royal, so he knows he's going to have to build bridges with the working royals or America will lose interest in him, and if America loses interest there is a chance Meghan may also lose interest in him. Quinn added, being a royal is the only thing he's been trained to do, so he needs to maintain some kind of connection with his family in order to maintain his credibility as a royal. The previous month was quite turbulent for the pair, especially when Harry lost in his legal battle against the UK Home Office. He was trying to get a reversed decision that downgraded his security status since he ceased being a working royal, citing the safety of himself and his family. The High Court ruling made public elements of Harry's case, including his worries for his family when coming back to Britain. The majority of the legal matters related to this case, which discussed security plans for high-ranking individuals, were privately held in December. Amid ongoing speculation about the future of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's relationship with the British royal family, new reports have emerged suggesting Prince Harry's desire for a familial reunion in the UK. According to insider sources, Prince Harry is keen on having Meghan Markle and their children return to their former residence in the United Kingdom, thinking to bridge the gap. But, looks like Meghan Markle is not as happy as him about